Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I'm out on Ladybower. If you've seen the previous video you'll know that I've already been out once and now I'm back out, and this time I've got the Hiqmar e-fin in the Chelan. I've also got the sun behind me, which is very professional, Carl, very professional. Right, the boys are on the water. I'm out with the machine and Fifi La Belle, and yeah, as I say, I'm trying out this e-fin in here. So I've currently got it in drive mode, pootling along quite nicely. What are we doing? 3.2 miles an hour. Now it is a little bit blustery today.
It's very windy today, isn't it?
You can probably tell that by the chop on the water.
I don't know, this water's a little choppy.
But it's quite nice. Let's put this in sport mode. There we go. Now the reason why I wanted to try this e-fin out on here was because there's less crap in here, or there should be, to get caught in the prop. So it should run a bit freer and have a few less issues. Let's give it a go, eh? Doing alright at the minute, and I'm liking this in sport mode. Probably see the boys there in the distance in front of, well, they're not quite in front of the bridge, but you know, in 2D terms they are. It's a lovely day when the sun's out. The last time I was on this water I was with Mr. 80 Quid, and if you've watched the video you'll know all the trees in that direction were beautiful autumn colours. Not anymore. You can probably tell the sport mode on this fin's cutting through the water quite nicely. In fact, I think I'm travelling as fast as that speedboat over there.
No, and a lovely speedboat.
Drop it down to drive, I don't want to drain the battery. Oh, it is windy. Yeah, it is a bit blustery. And it's a crosswind as well. What we're going to do is probably head all the way down that leg. But we're going to have to check out that bridge as well though, aren't we? Fifi's out in the story. The machine is out in the new, well, new to him, Advanced Elements Tandem Convertible. Look at him go, he's faster than me. Yeah, Fifi's just called me a cheater for having the electric fin in. Can't even deny it. Can't even deny it. But it is bloody fun. Cards on the table. Apart from the early challenges I had with it, it's more fun than I expected it to be. And I was saying to Raf this morning, I need to not get used to it. Because otherwise, you know, well, you can just do this, can't you? And kind of like, where's the exercise in this? Paddles up. We're still moving. Got a few cross waves coming in from that little motor launch. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! Oh, last time I was here, that bridge looked magnificent, and it still does. It really stands out when the sun's on it. The other nice thing about testing this e-fin today is what it's like with a boat when it is a bit blustery. How much assistance does it give you? I'm liking it so far. There are some good reflections underneath that bridge, but not so many on the sides today. It was really spectacular last time. It was like a light show. I don't know whether the camera will pick it up, but it looks like fire dancing off the water at the, where the water meets the bridge. Brilliant. Can you see all the reflections underneath the arches? Hey, oh, I love it. Nature's light show. Fantastic. It is. Just bobbing around. I love the fact that that just stands out so much in the sun. Not quite the LED light show that we had last time, but have you noticed how the way the reflections at the bottom, it looks like fire?
Yeah.
Love it. Don't know why I find that so mesmerising. Anyway. Let's turn the motor back on. Drive. If you watch my videos regularly, you'll know one of the things I say a lot in conditions like this is there's just nothing like being out on a big expanse of water and bobbing about. It's lovely. Quite blustery here. You can probably tell by the wind noise on the microphone. There is a wind muffler, but as you know, everything has its limitations. Right, I've just turned the ether off for a minute, and yeah, it's definitely a lot harder paddling into the wind. Mind you, you've got to remember the prop on this ether does create a bit of drag, the prop and the prop guard, so I'm not exactly making things easy for myself not using the fin. In sport mode, doing this chop, it looks like a speedboat.
We should reach calmer waters by nightfall.
Fee's going for a nosy at a little inlet that there is on that far side, I think. We've just dropped out of the wind a little bit here. It's quite nice. There's a couple of guys on the water down there somewhere in hard shells, just gone past us. Got the paddling Santas up ahead. Can't work out why it's so calm here. Unreal. The great thing as a paddler for, you know, on lakes like this is there's always something new to see because it's just so damn vast. Hard work this paddling more, isn't it? Crabbing. Alright?
You're right. Some people have done them wrong, yeah? Yeah, and it has to be done in a precise way, no?
Nice little waterfall. Professionals on the water, professionals. Good bunch behind us there. Look at this round here, it's lovely.
Now this is paddling. Wind against us and the current.
Look at this lot here. Look at that, it's horrible down here. Absolutely horrible. Crap in it, Fee. There's a little inlet here, look. Is it shallow? How shallow is it? Camera probably won't pick this up because I haven't got a polarising lens on, but it's starting to shallow out. So we're entering the river aspect now that feeds into Ladybower Reservoir. It's kind of lovely down here. Very peaceful. It's out of the wind. There's a bat up there. There's a little bat flying around it. I don't know whether the camera will catch it. Wow, I never expected to see that. It's making me want to wee.
Do you reckon I could hold on to France and just have a piss into the water or what?
I'm glad I got that on camera. I think you should do it. I think we should get that on camera. Well, we've reached what will be our turnaround spot because it's shallows out here where this bridge is. So peaceful, apart from us.
One pit stop coming up.
Look at that, that was positively graceful. Let's see if we can get under this bit here. I think if I just kind of stop paddling, I should be able to just drift through here nicely. Oh, not bragging, but oh, I'm gonna get a shoulder catch. Oh, just a little bit. Horrible, isn't it? Don't know why we do this. Oh, it's beautifully calm here.
In trouble.
See the safety boat up ahead doing a bit of patrolling, making sure everybody's alright on the water. Right, I've turned around. I'm going to see how steerable this is in reverse. It's not very, it just wants to flip me around in a circle. Look at that. This is it in reverse. Let's see if we can get turned back round. Alright, I have to paddle with this quite a bit, reverse paddle. It really wants to turn me though, you can probably see that. Oh, flip me. Put it in drive. Catch the boys up now, I've been fannying around again. Sport! What are we doing speed-wise? Oh, 4. There's a bit of a wind, 4.1. A little bit of gentle paddling to assist. Actually still doing the same. Oh no, it's going up. 4.3. 4.4. As you can see, I'm not pulling hard. Oh, 4.4. As I say, there's a bit of wind at the minute. I keep going to use my watch to control the boat. just created a separate little video demonstrating how to turn this boat without losing too much speed when you've got an E-fin in. That'll be coming soon, so make sure you stick around if you like what I'm doing. Here we go, let's get into wake. Let's get in. Here we are, woohoo! Yeah! Yeah, you can tell we're back in the windy area now. Look at the chop on the water. Look at the waves. The horizon balancing on the camera might not really show just how much I'm bobbing around on here. It's fun. I don't think it is showing it. There we go. For me, it's been quite a good test today using this E-fin on water where it's unlikely to get clogged, and it hasn't. It's been a lot better and made it quite enjoyable actually. And it's also tested it against the wind, which I've appreciated as well. That's been quite good too. Anyway, you know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking and subscribing, etc. Is there anything you'd like to see me test? If there is, let me know in the comments. I'm always game for trying stuff out. I do love that. Oh, I know I keep banging on about it, but I do love that. We're not too far from where we launched. The boys are just a little bit behind me, nattering away. I've just turned back round to paddle into the wind for a little bit, just to kind of show you just how choppy it really is at the moment, because I think this gives you a better indication. And that buoy bobbing around is a bit of a clue as well, isn't it? It's weird, it comes in from all directions on this lathe. So now you can see it's coming in from the front right. How weird. It just keeps moving around. Nice with the sun on the trees and on the machine. Look at him in his bright orange. He stands out in the sun, doesn't he? So does Fee, to be fair. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.